And then they've got a booth over there for donations and edibles. I think it's got some juice over there or something. And then there's something on the back thing I haven't looked at yet. Oh, the raffle for those two kayaks and some stuff over here and some stuff on the back pavilion. You see, I pulled that word out of my ass. Well, my ass feels alright today, but people everywhere, kayaks, man. Look at this. Must be the first or the last. Yeah, first they start right here. They work themselves out and then they come out with a roll like that. I bet. I don't know. I haven't seen. I usually down at the launching ramp. Cool. All these guys are paddling for a cure. Yeah, you gotta donate 50 bucks, I think. Hey, stop that. Donate 50 bucks to paddle. Oh yeah.